within those 5 hours, the amount of percentage that they would take away would be incredible. You know, if we could take just a paper 2 example, they're going to get their entire mapping out of one, what are the 4 potential questions that could come up for Macbeth or their single text. And also then, not only will they get, you know, here is the content and how to build a really successful essay, but they'll actually get the system, the formula that we're always talking about. If this comes up, you use these 6 points. If this comes up, these 6 points. This comes up, these 6 points. They get that formula. They get the formula that you were talking about a little earlier about the comparative, you know, first of all, explaining to them what is an area of focus and how do you relay that back to theme and issue, general vision, viewpoint, literary genre. You know, how do you make, I suppose, a 5, 6, 7, 8, 4-page essay? How do you construct one of them, first of all, and then what's the content going to be in it? And then with the poetry, they'll get all the predictions. Again, if they've listened to the podcast before, they might have an idea of the predictions as well, but they'll get the predictions. They'll definitely cement the 5% in terms of the unseen poetry.